This is the simplest method to earn money from YouTube. No script, no editing, no voiceover. Just create music and add a background video. That's it. If you search for free background music on YouTube, you will find numerous videos that receive a large number of views. Upon checking the monetization status of these channels, I discovered that they earn thousands of USD from it every month. So I began searching for the best AI tool to generate amazing music for free. After an extensive search, I discovered the ultimate AI tool for generating unlimited music, and it's completely free to use. All right, let's begin with the sign-up process. By checking the site's terms of use, you'll find that they allow monetization through YouTube. Take the time to read it all. Once you have signed up, click on Create Track. Start by selecting the genre or mood. The available options offer a wide range of genres and moods, including bass, hip-hop, ambient, chill, pop, EDM, techno, as well as calm, erotic, heroic, dreamy, joyful, sad, scary, and more. I simply choose heroic. After choosing the genre, you can select the desired length of the music, with a maximum duration of 3 minutes for your creation. Then click on Create My Track. Please wait a few seconds as the music is being processed. We're done with the processing. It's time to hit play. If you're not satisfied with the result, click Create My Track again for a different one. After discovering the perfect music, simply click on the Save button. And then go to the top where you can find the library. Click on it to download the saved music. Remember, you need to put license or attribution in your content description. The next step is to add a background video to your project. You can make use of free stock footage platforms like Pexels or Pixabay to find the perfect video that aligns with your music genre. Once you've downloaded the footage, use CapCut or Canva to create the video. I'm using CapCut. First, import your footage and add your music. Since my video is only 30 seconds long, so I need to duplicate it. Then align the end of the video with the music. Now include text in your video to indicate the genre of your music. Modify the fonts and style of the text. Then drag it onto the end of the video. If desired, you can also include your YouTube channel name. Once you have finished setting everything up, proceed to export the video. Now you can upload it on YouTube. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content from my channel.